Hi buddy, welcome back to Answers Q. In this video, we'll see some free online courses using which you can learn about data structures and algorithms, HTML and CSS, Java programming, JavaScript programming. You can learn a lot more things. So we'll see about all those courses in this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies like Google, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Duke University, Stanford University, HEC Paris, University of Michigan. So a lot of topmost universities and companies are offering online courses across different categories in this Coursera platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because this will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, and in addition to that you can also get hands-on projects and job-ready certification programs offered by some big companies like Google. So if you are interested in it, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus and get it. So now let's move on and see about the free online courses which I was talking about earlier. So the first one in the list is DSA Essentials Bootcamp, that is Data Structures and Algorithms Essentials Bootcamp. So all the programs which we'll be seeing in this video are offered by Let's Upgrade, and all these are 100% live training programs where you can learn from expert developers, and all these programs comes with the number of projects as well. For some projects there will be for some courses there will be 2 or 3 projects. So you are also going to get that real world learning experience. There will be around 3 to 4 hours of learning content, and all these courses will be like for 3 days. You can see here the duration. So you have to spend around 1 hour each day to complete this program. It will be for 3 days, and there is no eligibility restrictions. Anyone interested in it can take it. This is open for all, and the actual price of this program is 3,999, but now you can get it for completely free of cost. So make use of this offer and get the program for free and learn from it. And after completing this program successfully, you can also get your certificate of completion as well. And this program will be starting on 17th of August 2023 at 6:30 p.m. IST. So if you are wondering what you will exactly learn in this program, let's see about that. So there are 3 different modules for this particular program. The first one is Intro to Java and Algorithms. Second one is Data Structures in Java, and the third one is Advanced Data Structures. So these are the concepts about which you can expect to learn in this particular course. And here they have also mentioned what are the projects in which you'll work on. So for this particular program, you'll work on 3 different projects like traffic management system, bookstore system, and retail inventory management system. So you'll implement whatever you learn and work on these projects. And if you miss the live sessions, you can always use the recorded sessions and you can learn from it. That option is also available for you. And after completing the program, you will get a certificate like this. So Let's Upgrade is providing this program in collaboration with NSTC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, ITM EduTech Training, and Google Developers Group. So you can make use of this quality learning program and learn for absolutely free of cost. So the first program is DSA Essentials Bootcamp, where you can learn about different things about data structures and algorithms. Next one on our list is JavaScript Programming Essentials Bootcamp. So if you want to learn about JavaScript programming, you can make use of this particular program, which will start on 14th of August 2023 at 6:30 p.m. All other things are common. You will get 3 days training, 1 hour each day. Anyone can enroll in. You will also get a certificate as well. And if you want to know what you learn, you can just go through the sections given here. So they'll start with the basics of JavaScript, and then you'll learn about the variables and data types, operators, control flow functions. So a lot more technical concepts will be covered. And these are the projects: web page, calculator, hangman game, image gallery. So this is the second course. Third one is Java Programming Essentials Bootcamp. So this will be starting on 10th August 2023 at 6:30 p.m. And let's see what you are going to learn in this particular program. So there are 4 different modules. First one is Fundamentals and Environment Setup, and then there is a module for Syntax and Basic Constructs. You'll get to learn about exception handling, and you'll learn about OOP concepts and classes as well. And these are the projects: file handling, prime number checker, and shopping cart. So you'll work on these projects. You can also add these projects in your portfolio and resume as well. So all these things are going to be very helpful for you, so make use of it. Next one is SQL Essentials Bootcamp. So if you want to learn about SQL, you can just make use of this particular program, which will start on 7th of August 2023 at 6:30 p.m. IST. And here you have 5 modules for this particular program. You'll start with the basics of SQL, Then you'll get to learn about the retrieving data with SQL, and you'll learn about modifying data with SQL. You'll learn about advanced SQL techniques as well. And these are the projects. So let's move on to the next one, which is HTML and CSS Essentials Bootcamp. And for this program, you have around 4 modules. In first 2 modules, you'll get to learn about HTML, and in the next 2 modules, you'll learn about CSS. And you'll build a responsive website. You'll learn to build Airbnb homepage. You'll learn to build travel website template using HTML and CSS. So whatever you learn, you are also going to practice it. Next one in our list is C++ Programming Essentials Bootcamp. So this will be starting on 31st of July 2023. So if you want to learn about C++ programming, you can just make use of this particular program. There are 4 different modules. First, you'll learn about the fundamentals, and then you'll learn about arrays and pointers and classes and objects in C++. And you'll use C++ programming language to create a file compressor, calculator, and you'll also create a game called Guess the Number. So currently they are offering these 6 free courses in upcoming days. So you can just make use of these programs and learn from it. So now let me tell you how you can register for these programs. Click on the link in description and go through all the details for these programs. And once you come to the program page, just click on the sign in at the right top, and then you will be directed to a page like this. So here just click on this don't have an account yet, and just fill in the details here. Just fill in your name, email address, and set a password for your account. Give your mobile number, click on submit and create your account, or else you can also use your Google account to create account on this platform. And then once you're logged into your account, just come back to the program page. You'll be redirected to the program page automatically. So once you're on the program page, click on this enroll now button that you see here and register for the program. So it's a very simple process. I hope you'll find these 6 courses very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.